What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a full GoHighLevel SaaS mode tutorial. So if you are brand new to GoHighLevel, or even if you already have your own GoHighLevel account, this is going to be a perfect segue into getting started with GoHighLevel's SaaS mode. I'm going to break this all down into 6 simple steps to help you get a quick jump start. And if you stick around with me here to the end of the video and smash the like button, I'm going to hook you guys up with several freebies like a pre-done website, sales funnel, done for you sales onboarding videos, and a whole bunch more. So before we jump into the 6 simple steps, if you're unfamiliar with GoHighLevel and GoHighLevel SaaS mode, GoHighLevel is a sales and marketing solution for marketing agency owners. So it's kind of like an all-in-one marketing and sales software that you can run your own digital marketing agency and run all of your clients under one account, which is super awesome. And then just this past year, they launched something called GoHighLevel's SaaS mode, and it basically allows you to white label their software and put your own domain, your own logo, connect your own Stripe account, and bring on all of your clients and run your business as your own software company, which is really cool because it automatically creates the accounts, automatically has the recurring billing, and allows your clients to jump in and utilize the software without having you do all of the done-for-you service and fulfillment. All right, so step 1 of going through and getting started is obviously you need a GoHighLevel account. So what I have for you guys is right here on the GoHighLevel main website, you've got a 14-day free trial. If you click the link down in the description or the top comment, I'm going to hook you up with a free 30-day extended trial to GoHighLevel's SaaS mode. So if you are brand new, looking to go through and get started for the first time, obviously you can go through and click right here. Or if you already have a GoHighLevel account, but you're looking to upgrade and looking to check out some of the SaaS features, then you can click right here, already a HighLevel's user. And what you'll do is you'll stay on your $97 or $297 per month account, and it'll still give you a 30-day extended free trial to GoHighLevel's SaaS mode, which is super cool. Now from here, once we have your account created, you want to come into the actual admin portal, and you can come over here and see accounts. And under accounts, this lists all of your sub accounts, or where your clients are going to have their accounts that you can log into each one of their clients and actually do the fulfillment service work. Well, one of these sub accounts you're going to want to use for your own business, and you're going to be able to create your own website, your own sales funnels, your own email marketing, everything A to Z that you're going to need for your business. And so you want to create a sub account specifically for your business. And I did that just before this video just to save time, and I called it GoHighLevel SaaS mode. Okay, so we're going to want to create this. So 1, create a GoHighLevel account, free extended 30-day trial. Number 2, create a little sub account within that. Number 3, what we're going to do is load what is called a snapshot. And I've got this pre-built snapshot. Like I said, if you go through, click on the link down in the description as well as in the top comment. I have a link. This is it right here. And these are all the bonuses you're going to get. Okay, you're going to get a 30-day extended free trial to GoHighLevel, a one-on-one HighLevel business setup call. You're going to get my paid course, 2K paid course. You'll get my done-for-you professionally designed website, plug-and-play sales funnels, white label onboarding videos. You could just have them already ready to go, give them to your clients. SaaS hacks, breakdown of the best SaaS client acquisition strategies. And if you're brand new here to the channel, I started my own software company back in 2015, scaled that up to over 15,000 paying clients, exited that business this past year, and now I'm here on YouTube to share with you guys everything that worked. So I'm going to go through and show you guys a lot of the strategies 100% for free of what actually worked. Okay, and as far as like what's included in this snapshot, we have this done-for-you website, which you can just swap in and out your logo. It's already pre-built, everything. You've got all the products. You click on like reviews, what you're actually going to be selling. Everything is professionally designed, professionally created. You've got the pricing page. You can see everything is already pre-built for you. And then when you go through and click on, let's say, free trial to go through and get started, the checkout sales funnels, when they go through, put in their information, put in their credit card, they'll be on recurring billing. It's going to automatically create a sub account inside of the GoHighLevel admin portal that you have. And then I also have the onboarding sales training, which you'll be able to get the white label onboarding videos as well. All right, so lots to unpack inside of that snapshot, but it's all broken down for you guys step by step inside of this free course that I'm going to hook you guys up with when you jump in and click the link down below. Okay, so the way we go through and load the snapshot is we're just going to click on View Details when we pull up this sub account. And then we're going to go over here to Actions. We're going to click on Load Snapshot and select a snapshot. and it's going to be this agency partner program. All right, so this is going to be already preloaded into, you're just going to click a link to be able to have the imported snapshot from that free course. You're going to click on that, click proceed, and it's going to pull in the calendars, campaigns, forms, funnels, pipelines, everything, and just click proceed, and then click proceed, and then you should be ready to go. Now, that's going to take a second to go through and load into your account, and but before we go through and jump into the account and actually do the whole setup, we want to come over here to what is called the SaaS configurator. So you're only going to see this tab on your GoHighLevel account if you are on the GoHighLevel SaaS mode plan, and it's going to allow you to go through and create your own plans and put whatever features you want in each plan and set the exact price point that you want for these plans. Now, if we're going to go off of kind of the plans that I have on this website right here, we've got a $199 a month and $299 a month. This is just kind of like a basic standard template, but you can honestly charge whatever you want here, $299, $399, $499, whatever it is. But just to kind of go off this example right here, we're going to say $199 a month. So we're going to have the $199 there, the $299 there. And then if we look at the different features, we've got reviews, messaging, web chat, 1,000 SMS credits, and up to 3 team members. Okay. So now we can come over here and you can have a free 14-day trial. So now we'll say, hey, we want to do a free 14-day trial. So that's going to automatically update for this specific plan. We click Save Changes, and then we've got the reviews in here. We've got the web chat, missed call text back, all these different things. The workflows in CRM, I believe, are part of this next plan. So we just drag these on over. So just like that. And then the memberships, pop them over here. Sales funnels, we don't need to go through and focus on selling those. And then we set 1,000 SMS credits. So basically you can go through and say, hey, we're going to give you complimentary credits for when you're texting back and forth with your clients. And so right here, $30 per month is going to equate to about 1,000 text messages you see right there. Okay, so we're just going to click on save. And something cool about GoHighLevel's SaaS mode setup is every single time a client sends or receives a text, you can actually mark this up. So right here, we have a 4x markup. So you can see right here, text messages, it's going to cost you, like, what is that? 0.7 of a cent. And then you're going to be charging roughly 2 cents every single time that's sent out. So you're going to actually make an additional margin in addition to whatever the monthly plan is. Now, this is not required. You can basically go through and just turn this off and say, hey, I only want to charge a monthly software subscription, and I'm just going to have all the text messages included. But a lot of softwares these days will have the monthly software subscription, give you a certain number of credits, and then anything on top of that, they're going to charge you extra, and they're making a margin. So that's the cool thing about GoHighLevel is it allows you to go through and do the same. And then right over here, we've got the $299 a month, throw in the workflows in the CRM, and we can even say, hey, this social planner, this is a new feature they just added. Throw that in there. If you want to have some more complimentary credits for texts, let's see what we've got over here. We've got 2,500 SMS credits, okay? So over here, if we just bump this up, I think if we go right there, or let's see, test it out, 75, 2,500 texts right there, okay? So we just hit Save Changes, and then you should be good to go as far as these plans go. But the last thing that we can do here, which is super cool, especially if you're serving a specific industry, like when I started my software company, I was working with residential real estate agents. And so residential real estate agents, they wanted pre-built templates of different sales funnels, follow-up emails, follow-up text messages. So what you can do is you can go in and pre-build a template account inside of the GoHighLevel software and use it kind of as a demo account. Then create a snapshot, or basically a clone of all of the templates, the website templates, the email templates, SMS templates, everything that's in there. And then when a new account is created, let's say on this $199 per month plan, you can attach the snapshot. So every single time someone signs up on the software on one of these plans right here, you don't have to go through and load in all the sales funnels, load in the websites, the email templates, the follow-ups. It's just already pre-built into the system, which is super cool. Okay, so now what we're going to do from here is we're then going to take this little code, this $199 a month, and we're just going to copy this, and we're going to use this to go in and set up our sales funnels. Because then when somebody signs up right here, we want it to communicate with this SaaS configurator and say, hey, grant only these features. We don't want any of these other features. We also want to give them a $30 per month text credit. We want them to be on a $199 per month plan. We want them to have a 14-day free trial, and we want this snapshot to be automatically tied with this type of markup after they go over the initial 1,000 texts. Okay, so basically all of that is included in this little ID right here. So now we're going to come over here to this account. We're going to type in GoHighLevel right there, and we're going to switch to the account. Okay, and then we're going to come over here and click on Sites. And obviously you can go through and customize the whole site and everything. And it looks like not all of the funnels have loaded quite yet. And so we'll just kind of wait for those to pre-populate. But inside of that training, I show you guys how to go through. So for example, this is the chat homepage. I show you guys how to edit out every single part of this this website template, the sales funnel templates, the email templates. So you can go through, swapping it out, your logo. And the cool thing is wherever it says the business name, I have it automatically populate with your business's name. So the setup of this website, the sales funnels, everything should be super simple, super easy so that you can get started as soon as possible selling GoHighLevel's SaaS mode. Now, let's just jump back over here into the funnels. And it looks like these have not, Essentials plan, right there. They have loaded. Okay, so what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to create a product, and we're going to click Add Product, and we're going to give this a name. So we'll just call this one the Essentials plan. Okay, we'll say Essentials, and then the price, we're going to say it's $199. So $199 right there. And then the product, we have an empty list right here. So what we need to do is we need to create a new product by clicking here, or we can come over here to payments, and we'll need to go through and connect our Stripe account. Since it's a brand new account, we need to go through and connect our Stripe account. So I'm going to go through and do that real quick and show you how to preload the products. All right, so you can see I connected my Stripe account. Then you're going to come over here to products, and you're just going to go through and click import from Stripe. Okay, and so we could go through and say, hey, we're going to select this $199 per month price right here, because this is pulling from that SaaS configurator. We're going to say import product and price. And then we can go back over here to products, and we're going to say import from Stripe. And then we're going to find that other one, which was the $299 a month or $297 a month. We'll just grab this one right here. This is probably it right there. I've got a lot of, this is a test Stripe account, so I've got a lot of demo stuff in there. But basically, for sake of example, we've now got the standard, we've got the professional prices right there. And so now when we come back over here to the sites, we're going to go over here to the Essentials plan. We're going to add a product, add product, and we'll type in Essentials. And then we're going to have this as $199 a month, and click a product. We're going to do the standard and the price, the $199 per month. Click on save. And so now when we come over here to this checkout, and we'll need to attach a domain here, but inside of my free course, you guys are going to have step-by-step instructions on how to connect the domain, how to get all set up to all the different sales funnels. But when we pull this up, we put in some basic information. Let's just put in some information right here, some dummy information. And so I could show you guys how this is all connected. Go to step number 2. And so we've got the Essentials $199 per month plan. They're going to put in their credit card. And then what's going to happen is it's obviously going to go through and have the 14-day free trial. And they're going to be on a monthly $199 per month billing. And then it's going to automatically create an account over here. If we switch back to the agency, it's going to automatically create their account inside your admin portal. And if you have any snapshots, any sales funnels, anything like that's pre-built for that specific plan, it's going to preload it into your admin portal. So then if you're doing like a done for you setup, or you're doing some additional assistance, if you're doing support, you can just go through and pull up their account. See this one right here? Switch into their account, and you can see everything that they've got, everything that they've done, and be able to assist them further. So this is just a great way to stack on to your existing digital marketing agency business, having that SaaS recurring revenue really increase the value and the profitability of your business. Because if somebody wants to cancel their done for you full service things that you're doing for them, then you could say, okay, yeah, you know, we could cancel the $1,000, $1,500 per month service, but these are the core software features that you are using and that you'll need to continue to use and you'll want to continue to use. And so if you want to just stay on that, it's $2.99 a month or whatever the price point is. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful as far as a full GoHighLevel SaaS mode tutorial setup. And like I said, if you guys want all of the freebies and bonuses, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll hook you guys up with this private link right here where you guys are going to get all of these cool bonuses. 30-day extended free trial to GoHighLevel. That's if you're starting a brand new GoHighLevel account, or if you already have an existing GoHighLevel account, you can still upgrade to the $497 SaaS mode plan and get a 30-day extended free trial. You're going to get a one-on-one high-level business setup call to help you go through and get everything set up initially. You're going to get my $2,000 paid program, which is going to walk you through everything step by step of how to get everything set up, connecting Strike, connecting domains, any questions you might have, it's all going to be in there. Plus, you're going to get that done for you website, plug and play sales funnels that I personally use to get over 15,000 paying software clients from my own business in the last several years. The white label onboarding videos, which is going to save you hours of time that's already pre-built, going through and showing your clients how to get set up with the GoHighLevel software, which obviously it's going to be your own brand. And that's why they're white labeled, so that it's not showing any logo, any brand name, but showing them how to get set up. And then SaaS hacks. There's going to be several strategies, different videos of different software companies, including my past software company, of how to go through and get clients at scale and use some leverage techniques. And then obviously the proven ways to copy my business to well over $100,000 per month. So anyway, guys, I hope this was super helpful. Do me a solid, smash the like button. If anyone else is looking to get started with GoHighLevel, if you don't mind sharing this video with them, would greatly appreciate that. And with that said, I will see you all in the next video.